Guys, so it's me again, and this time I'm going to give you a really interesting video. So I called it the mind-blowing fact about the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and it needs to be in this order. So you're going to see why in a second. And again, I didn't discover this, it was Tesla, and I'm just giving you the information. In any case, I have another amazing discovery, not discovery, but something that Tesla did that I want to do as a video as well for you guys, okay? So let's go. So, this mind blowing fact about the numbers 1, 2, 4, 7, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 is that I'm gonna give you a calculation for you guys to do, and it's always the same calculation. You just always do the same thing, and the result, no matter how many times you're going to do it, is always getting 1 and then 2 and then 4 and then 7 and then 8 and then 5, and then it gets again 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and so on. Okay, so this is going to go on forever. So I actually challenge you to carry on doing this calculation to see if you ever find a different number, okay? So what is the calculation? Get ready, and I'm sure that you want to show it at least one person in your life. So get ready to see how you do this. So again, I want to show the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, always showing repeatedly and in this order, right? So let's start. 1 plus 1 gives me 2. Okay, I started with 1, I got 2. Fine, let's do it again. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. Okay, I have 1, 2, and 4. So far, so good. And then 4 plus 4 is going to give me 8. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and then 8. All right. Again, 8 plus 8, that gives me 16, but I want to have just one number. So 1 plus 6, that gives me 7. All right, let's carry on. 16 plus 16 equals 32. So all that I do is I pick the number of the result, and then I add this number by itself, or I multiply it by 2, which is doing the same, okay? So that gives me 32. Again, I only want one digit, so I'm gonna do 3 plus 2, and that gives me 5, okay? And then let's do it again. 32 plus 32, that gives me 64. 6 plus 4 gives me 10. I still don't have one digit only, so I'm going to do 1 plus 0, which gives me 1. Okay, let's carry on. And now 64 plus 64, that gives me 128. So again, I want not 10, I want one digit. So 1 plus 2 plus 8 gives me 11. I want one digit, so I need to do the calculation again. 1 plus 1, that gives me 2. So I'm repeating myself again, right? Anyway, let's carry on. So 128 plus 128, that gives me 256. So again, 2 plus 5 plus 6 gives me 13. I want one digit, so 1 plus 3, that gives me 4. It's happening. Again, let's do 256 plus 256, that gives me 512. So 5 plus 1 plus 2 gives me 8. Again, 512 plus 512 gives me 1024. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 gives me 7. Let's do it again, one more. Actually, I have two more, I think. So 1024 plus 1024 gives me 2048. So 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 gives me 14, and I want one digit, so 1 plus 4 gives me 5. So I have the same sequence happening twice now, right? And one more just to show you that we keeps going. So 2048 plus 2048, or times 2 if you wish, is going to give me 4096. 4 plus 0 plus 9 plus 6 equals to 19, and I want one digit, so 1 plus 9 equals to 10, and again I want one digit, so I want 1 plus 0, that gives me 1. So as you can see, it does not matter how many times I'm going to do this same calculation over and over again, which is either multiplying the result by 2 or adding the result by itself. I always get the same numbers in this exact order. And again, is every time you do it, you can do this infinite times, you're going to get this result, okay? 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and so on, okay? It will carry on forever. Still, if you want to try it, and find a flaw in this, go ahead, try it, and then contact me if you ever find a number that is not going to give you these numbers in this sequence. And just to hint you, so when I'll tell you the other amazing mind-blowing facts, is going to be about the numbers they are not showing in this sequence. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you show it to at least one person. And up to my next video, be happy and healthy. Bye!